Alrighty, so today is the last try with the 145 grain match burner from Barnes and the 6.5 PRC. So someone mentioned in one of my videos that he thought maybe a little bit more velocity would get the bullets to stabilize and shoot a little bit better. So we're going to push it up with accurate Magpro. We're going to start at 58.7, work up to 59.9. Hopefully we don't get into any trouble with pressure here. So we're going to go ahead and use 2.930 cartridge overall length. We're going to continue using the Nosler Brass and the CCI number 34 primers. So far, these bullets have shot really bad in my gun, so I'm tired of wasting components here. This is the last try, at least for a little while, with these. So let's get over to the range and let's see how they shoot. Alrighty, we are out here on the range. The target is at 100 yards. This is my 24-inch Bergara B14 HMR chambered in 6.5 PRC. Gun is cold. Target's at 100 yards. Orange circles are 1 inch. We are getting velocity through our lab radar. It is about 50 to 55 degrees out today, so it's a nice day. Not too much wind either. So the gun is cold. Haven't shot it today, and we're going to see how these group. So hopefully we're able to shoot all these. We have pushed up kind of into some uncharted territory as far as how high the loads are. But I think we'll be okay. We will find out here. First load's going to be 58.7 grains. Hoping to get somewhere near about 2950 or close to 3,000 feet per second. So that one we did have excellent velocity data, 2858 or 2856 average and a 2.3 SD. So, but the group obviously is terrible, which we saw some bad groups at about 2850 before. So hopefully, as we start to push up, things will tighten up. Not that optimistic though. All right, next group here. Well, I know it's just the 3-shot group, but that's the first promising group we've seen through about probably close to, what, getting close to 30 loads here with the 145 match burner. All right, so that one, our average was 2878 with a SD of 11.9. So really pretty decent. And our brass looks fine, so we're going to go ahead and move on up. Seems like we're getting into something here. Holy smokes. And that felt like a really good shot, so I know it didn't group with the other two. That one was, I think, the lowest velocity number out of the three, but it wasn't far from the others. We were at 2883 average, 7.5 SD. So maybe we're right there on the verge of something. Alright, let's see if this last load will group. This is the hottest load, 59.9 grains. So, I'm not sure how to explain that one. We kind of looked like we were going to tighten up there for a second, and then things kind of fell apart again. Let's go ahead and let's get over there and check out the target. Alrighty, so we're back here on the bench. Now, the target on the bottom is the one that you just watched in the video. What you're looking at there on the top is another attempt that I did to try to get these bolts to shoot a little bit better before this video. Now, I did record this, but being that the results were pretty non-conclusive, if you look at those groups up there, they're all, 2 to 3 inches. Didn't really find an overall length that helped, so I didn't bother to kind of put that together. Don't think that we need any more crappy groups with this gun. Now, taking a look at the target at the bottom there, the first group at 58.7 grains, shot 2856 feet per second, 2.3 SD, and a 4.6 inch group. So continuing some poor groups. Then moving on to 59.1 grains, we shot 2878 feet per second, 11.9 SD, and a 0.96 inch group. Now this is the best group we've shot, and we've probably shot 60 of these bullets through the gun. So I thought things were looking good. Then you move over to 59.5 grains, shot 2883 feet per second, 7.5 SD, and that 2.6 inch group. Looked like they were gonna try to group, and then we threw that one crazy low and left. Last group of the day at 59.9, shot 2916 feet per second and a 7.7 SD, 2.7 inch group. So I think the conclusion here is the Bergara does not like these bullets. Now if you jump over to my new 6.5 Creedmoor, my Savage that I got, I shot a couple groups with this same bullet with, I believe, Superformance, and they shot excellent. So I don't think there's anything wrong with the bullets. Don't think there's anything wrong with the gun, because I've shot some really nice groups with the gun. But this combination just doesn't work in the Bergara. I'm a little bit disappointed with this because these bullets have such a high BC. They'd be an awesome bullet to run in the Bergara, but so far I can't get them to shoot. So thank you guys for watching. I apologize for the crappy groups again. Hopefully next time we shoot a little bit better. We'll see you then.